एफआईआर क्यों नहीं ली डिसीज की, उसके पिता ने जब एफआईआर रजिस्टर करने के लिए मांग की तो वो क्यों नहीं ली, उसके सवाल में 3 तारीख को जवाब गवर्नमेंट पेश करने वाली है। देवेंद्र फडणवीस को उनकी होम मिनिस्ट्री के वो वकील है खुद, उन्होंने कुर्सी छोड़ करके इधर हाईकोर्ट में या फिर सेशंस कोर्ट में या कोई भी लोअर कोर्ट में वो जज बन जाए और न्याय दीजिए। अगर इस तरह से लोग देवा का न्याय बोलने लगे तो।
Now, the bench also, remember, has posted this matter for further hearing in October, by when the police would have to take a decision on the complaint submitted by Shinde's father, seeking an FIR against the police officials concerned.
संपूर्ण प्रकरणामध्ये अशा पद्धतीनं ज्याला बुलेटबद्दल, ज्याला पिस्तूलबद्दल किंवा रिव्हॉल्वरबद्दल ज्याला काही ज्ञान नाही आहे, काही माहिती नाही आहे, तो अशा पद्धतीनं कोणत्याही पोलिसाची पिस्तूल हिसकून तो कोणावरही गोळीबार करू शकत नाही, असं अनेक वरिष्ठ पोलीस अधिकाऱ्यांचं त्यांचं मत आहे की भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे नेते त्या जे शाळेचे, ज्या शाळेमध्ये हा अत्याचार झाला त्या मुलींवर, त्याचे संस्थापक, त्याचे जे ज्याची शाळा होती आपटे, त्याला वाचवण्याचा हा संपूर्ण प्रयत्न आहे। हा जर शिंदे जिवंत असतात तर त्यांनी स्टेटमेंट दिलं असतं आणि स्टेटमेंटमध्ये या सर्व गोष्टी पुढे आल्या असतात।
Meanwhile, remember, outside the courts, there is a lot of war for credit that is going on amongst the allies of the ruling dispensation. Posters of Devendra Fadnavis have been put up at multiple locations in Mumbai, including some where the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister is seen holding a gun. And the poster says, quote-unquote, Badla Pura, meaning the revenge is complete. Now, there are also ads in local papers that call the Chief Minister Shinde, quote-unquote, Dharamveer, in the very same context.
बदला पूरा हो गया। तो सरकार इस बात को मान रही है कि कोर्ट से सजा नहीं दिलाएंगे, ऑनरेबल जज साहब सजा नहीं देंगे, हम बदला लेंगे। देखिए, ये जो बदला लेते हैं ना, ये जो लोग बदला लेने वाले होते हैं, ये गैंगस्टर माफिया होते हैं। संविधान में इंसाफ होता है, जस्टिस होता है, और कोर्ट के जरिए से उस खाती को जब सजा दी जाती है तो बदला नहीं होता, वो जस्टिस होता है। तो बदले और जस्टिस में फर्क है।
एकनाथराव शिंदे साहेब या जाहिरातीसाठी, याचा प्रचार करण्यासाठी आणि मुख्य आरोपींना वाचवण्यात पण येईल, दोन्ही हेतू साध्य होतील, याच्यासाठी एन्काउंटर केला का? कोतवाल आणि आपटे दोघे विश्वस्त त्या शाळेच्या संस्थेचे, त्यांचा एन्काउंटर कधी करणार असा प्रश्न लोक विचारत आहेत। संजू श्रीवास्तव हा भाजपचा नेता, हा बलात्कारामध्ये सापडला, याचाही एन्काउंटर करणार आहेत का?
We also have a colleague Nilesh who's reporting on the story and he joins us live. Nilesh, is there absolutely any response we've heard from the state so far on the very pointed questions that the court has asked? The court, in fact, has also at the moment hesitated in calling this an encounter.
Well, it seems like it is getting tough for not only the Thane police officials but also for the state government to answer all of those questions which have been into doubt since day one. And with these questions being raised by the Bombay High Court, it seems like it is coming heavy upon police officials, as the Bombay High Court mentions that it is hard to believe that any individual who is not that very built up, who is not that very huge, is not able, the policing is not able to control them. And this happens when in around 4 to 5 police officials are seated into the van. This individual is able to snatch pistol, load them and fire at police officials, or all in within fractions of second, meanwhile in presence of 5 officials. So High Court has raised some serious questions onto the functioning of police and has requested for an impartial investigation. Court mentions that we understand that it is involvement of police officials, but what we are expecting is an impartial and clear factual evidence should be presented before court. Court mentions that how on various levels doubts are being raised, and why is it that Akshay Shinde is trying to, run away at an isolated place? Why not he's trying to do it further, and after traveling for a distance of around half an hour, this argument breaks in, and why police personnel did not shoot him on his legs if they are claiming it to be an act of defense. Why this fire was done at point-blank range, thus killing the accused. And meanwhile, the father and the petitioner also mentions that how Akshay Shinde has been made an scapegoat in order to save certain individuals. Credit war around politics also goes into it, wherein the opposition and particularly Asaduddin Owaisi, who adds up as a new fresh face into targeting the state government of this injustice, or what is done called as fast justice or fast-track justice, with the state government is trying to take credit off ahead of the assembly elections.
And Nilesh, a lot of controversy also about those posters that have emerged that are hailing both Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde, and the opposition believes that this is just an attempt to perhaps capitalize on what has happened. We'll continue to track that story. For the moment, thank you for getting us the latest.